Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this particular video which is going to be focused on the beauty sector. Today we are diving into the beauty industry's merger and acquisition scene for 2024. It has turned out to be very different from what was expected. Let's break down what has been happening and what can be expected for the next year, that is 2025. Let's start with the big deals that did happen. This year saw some notable transactions like Charlotte Tilbury and Puig acquiring Dr. Barbara Sturm for $240 million. Another headline grabber was the Helen of Troy scooping up Olive in June for 225 million plus incentives. These deals have stood out in a year that many thought would be packed with much bigger news. Moving on to some high profile names that were expected to make big moves, for example, Rare Beauty, Glossier, and Makeup by Mario. Despite their strong appeal and solid financials, none of these seem closer to an exit. Strategic buyers like Estee Lauder and L'Oreal have been very quiet, focusing more on the internal economic challenges than on acquiring newer brands. Even promising deals like that of Osea and Shiseido fell through, highlighting a trend of caution over big moves. One major issue has been the valuation misalignment. Past deals have set very high expectations with EBITDA multiples of 25 to 30x, thanks to transactions, for example, of K18. This has left many founders and investors waiting for the top dollar, a strategy that is proving to be very risky given the current economic climate. Contrastingly, Olive and Jones' deal, which had an EBITDA multiple of 12.5x, shows that realistic pricing attracts interest, while that of Summer Fridays, which had to settle for an even lower multiple due to the reliance on a single successful product line, shows that it's a tough lesson that needs to be learned given the current market realities. Furthermore, bigger players in the industry are facing their own battles. Unilever's prestige division lost a key leader. Estee Lauder is undergoing through significant shakeup. Shiseido's value is waning. Even Johnson & Johnson's new consumer health division is struggling to establish leadership. Now, as we approach the end of the year, all eyes are on whether a beauty M&A market can pull a holiday miracle or not. But with more optimistic outlook towards next year because of post-election climate and a potential for lower interest rate, 2025 might actually be the turnaround year for the beauty sector. But for that to happen, expectations around the valuations need a reality check. Given this, let's see what will happen in 2025, or we will see some merger and acquisition happening before the 2024 close. That's all that we have for you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more. Thank you.